reason. I just think about my Jesus. I don't need to hype myself up. I just think about your love, your love, your love. Just think about your love, your love, your love. Just think about your love. And I don't need another reason.
With the grace of God, I am honored to declare the 48th founding anniversary of San Francisco Light in Life Christian Learning Center officially opened by the grace of God.
I'm not waiting for a feeling. Oh, I just praise 'cause I believe it. This is more than just emotion.
Sa ako nagkikiingon, together, we must grow. Okay? Now, if you try to look at or if you try to observe, kung kita ng mga parents, kung ang atong mga anak, dili mo tubo, siguro mag-wonder ta. Siguro matingala ta. Now, every individual or every institution or every sa spiritual aspects sa itong kinabuhi, mga igsoon, there's a need to grow.
I'll shout out your praises. You are the greatest. Oh, we lift you
Kita usab, parent, mga kabataan, kita usab, we need to grow as what the Bible is saying. Kinahanglan na mo tubo punta sama sa gisulti sa verse nga atong gibasa kagahina. O sa mag-iingon, you must grow. Mga igsoon, ingon ang Biblia, you must grow in grace and in the knowledge of our Lord Jesus Christ.
You are more than enough. So I will give you my praise. I will, I will, I will. And I don't need another reason why. I will lift my voice and shout your praises. You are the greatest.
Grace, when you say grace, unsa man ang grasya? Unmerited nga favor. Na wala na to gipangayo, dili na to deserving, pero gihatag sa Ginoo. Unsa daw? We need to grow in grace.
You are all that I want. You are, you're more than enough. So I will give you my praise. I will, I will, I will. How could I thank the one who saved my life when there is no words to express what you deserve? You deserve the greatest, to be lifted up the highest, worthy of my everything. This is why I praise, 'cause you're worthy of all. Oh, isn't he so worthy? In everything I do and all that I go through, I give you all my praise. Hey, I gotta praise. I gotta praise. I gotta praise. I gotta praise. Woo! Now lift my voice. To you I make a joyful noise.
Wise up, kaya ang grasya nga gikan sa Ginoo maghatag sa atong kabaguhan. Okay? Ang atong mga paghangyo, ang eskwelahan, mga higala kini nga eskwelahan, naningkamot nga ang inyong anak matabangan, matudluan sa sakto, mahatagan og kinabuhi o mahatagan og kahayag, pinaagi sa pagtudlo.
'Cause you are worthy, Lord. Worthy of all my praise. In everything I do and all that I go through, I give you all my praise. Yeah, I gotta praise. Hey, I gotta praise. I gotta praise. 'Cause you've been good to me.
kanako, let us be a conduit of God's love sa uban aron ang atong pamilya, atong mga anak mutubo sad diha sa pagalagad sa Ginoo aron atong kaminyoon magmalig-on ug walay buhat sa kaaway nga magmadaogon. Magampo ta.
I know that I go through